Hello, this is your introduction to Simnet. Once you click the link in the course, you're going to be taken to a screen like this. I am an existing user, but you will have the option to create your account. Simnet, you'll need to purchase an access code. You can either purchase it from the bookstore, you can purchase it right here from the publisher. You're going to register with that code. And then you're going to request, if you don't have a code, request your courtesy access. It gives you 2 weeks free access. Down here is your help and support. You want to do a systems requirement check to make sure your computer's up to speed for the course. And here's 2 for technical support. Once you log in and create your course, you're going to go into the course itself. Here it starts with the projects and the chapters are down below. So what you're going to do is click on a chapter. I'm going to click on chapter 2. And you're going to notice there's these graded exercises. These graded exercises need to be completed for each chapter. So I'm going to click on the first one. And this is the actual chapter itself. You would go, you'd read all of it, and then you're coming down to show me, guide me, let me try. So you're required to complete all the let me try exercises. So you want to click that and it opens up. So right on top you could see there are 21 total skills that you need to complete before you complete your project. So the first direction is open the page setup dialog box. If you need a hint, you can hit show hint. Now if you really needed more help, you can go to the show me part. You can click on that and Simnet plays a recording and it shows you. There's a guide me part where this is a little more interactive, and this one is let me try. So again, you're completing all the let me tries. So once you've completed the let me tries, you're going to come back and complete your projects. Now I'm going to click on project. This is for chapter 1 of 1.4. You're going to see there's a start file that you need to download. There's instructions. There's best practices. You're going to upload your file when you're completed, and then you're going to grade my file. You get 3 attempts on each project. The highest grade is kept. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to send me an email.